Now, let's imagine how our colonization program would proceed in multiple stages. So first of all, we want to deploy a forward operating base. Similar to Lunar Gateway, we can place it in orbit high enough above Mars, so we can easily access both the satellites and the Martian surface. Something like aerosynchronous orbit, similar to geosynchronous orbit on Earth, would be one such location. Once we have that outpost established, we would need to set up self-sufficiency capabilities as early as possible. While we will not be able to build industrial base in orbit quickly, we can still push the agriculture in space direction and build at least the base for the food security. The second direction is deploying the small surface outposts, seeking the locations of uranium ore, for example, or other energy opportunities, or will be the spot where we will build our industrial base. However, that requires actually, sending people and drilling the Martian ground. So that would take some time before we can build industrial and energy base on the surface of Mars. But once that's in place, we can expand both of the areas, both in orbit, building more agricultural facilities, orbital farms, recreation and other industry that can use resources from Martian satellites that will be low in delta V costs, while the surface of Mars will become the base of most of our heavy industry, mining, energy, metal smelting, and we can rotate the population between the orbital and surface locations, exploiting the advantages of both and also relieving the crew from enduring Martian gravity for extended period of times. So that's a very much an approximation, a draft. There are different possible directions we can take. For example, we can deploy our colonies on orbit first and build the orbital segment from ground up. Again, there are many options that can be considered, discussed, trade studies can be done. But that's a basic outline. Please like and subscribe our video, share in the social network, and leave comments on the YouTube.